One of the most powerful steps toward achieving personal success is setting clear, specific goals. While it may seem like common advice, the truth is that many people struggle with goal setting because their objectives are too vague or unrealistic. The clarity of your goals directly affects your ability to stay motivated, focused, and on track. A clear goal gives your mind a direction. Think of it like a GPS. You can't reach your destination if you don't input a specific address. Saying, "I want to get in shape," is a start, but it lacks clarity. A more specific goal would be, "I want to lose 10 pounds in 3 months by exercising 4 times a week and following a clean eating plan." This version tells you exactly what you want, how long it will take, and how you plan to get there. That level of detail makes the goal more achievable. When goals are specific, they become measurable. This means you can track your progress and know when you've reached a milestone. Measurable goals help you stay motivated because you can see your achievements, no matter how small. Celebrating these small wins gives you the confidence to keep moving forward. Clarity also helps you prioritize your actions. With a specific goal, you can filter out distractions and focus your energy on what truly matters. Time, energy, and willpower are limited resources. When you're clear about your destination, you stop wasting them on unimportant things. Another benefit of setting specific goals is that it forces you to think about the how. Vague goals often lack a plan. Specific goals require action steps. You start asking productive questions. What do I need to do today? What resources do I need? Who can help me? This kind of strategic thinking is essential to long-term success. Specific goals also improve accountability. When you write down a goal with clear details, it becomes real. Sharing it with someone you trust can add another layer of motivation. You're more likely to stay committed if you know someone else is keeping track of your progress. It's important to align your specific goals with your personal values and long-term vision. Don't just chase what sounds impressive. The more connected you feel to your goals on an emotional level, the more motivated you'll be to achieve them. Ask yourself, why does this goal matter to me? The answer becomes your inner fuel when times get tough. In conclusion, setting clear, specific goals is a foundational step in any journey toward personal achievement. It provides direction, increases motivation, sharpens focus, and improves your chances of success. When your goals are specific, you don't just dream, you plan, act, and achieve. So don't just say what you want. Say what you will do, when you'll do it, and how you'll get there. That's the difference between a wish and a goal.